What's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be a little bit different. I'm actually gonna be helping Ronaldo finish his EG hatch. If you guys don't know who Ronaldo is, he's the owner that gathers livery hatch. I don't know why I always mention that because all you OG subscribers know about him and know about the car too. And I've uploaded so many videos, so when I upload so many videos at one point, like all my older videos disappear and no one really watches it. But there are some of you guys that actually go back and watch this video, so thank you very much for the support. And thank you for always watching. But today, I'm actually gonna be heading to his house, so I need to bring some tools over. The other night, I was at his house and we put his motor in, we did the exhaust, we did the engine harness, he did the shift linkage and everything like that. Now we just have to go get the coils for it, which is up in Temecula. We have to go pick those up, come back to his house, put the coils on and try to get the car running and pull it out of the garage. But I'm just picking up some tools that he needs, which he needs a adjustable wrench. Of course, I have his, oh, if you guys noticed, the spoon exhaust is not there anymore, because that is actually his. That N1 exhaust is actually his. So what I did was I took out the spoon exhaust off my car and put the J's Racing back on. And we'll talk more about that later. So I need to grab my radiator for him. And it's always good having spare parts because I have a lot of spare parts for a single cam. And that EG is single cam. This is a brand new single cam radiator. Let me just make sure it's actually in here. Yep, there we go. Always good to have spare parts, guys. You never know, and I have a bunch of, I have two spare single cam VTEC heads already resurfaced and everything, ready to go. Just have everything, so grab that. And one exhaust is in my daily, and I do have a daily, guys. Still love driving this car a lot. I drive this car a lot still, but the daily's for when it's extremely hot, which is today's like 80 something degrees. Blow that up, finish editing that, we'll finish exporting that video, upload for you guys, and then hopefully be uploaded by today. Trying to get more content out for you guys. You guys like the daily upload, so I really appreciate that, guys. I'm pushing more towards like not just always me working on my car. I always say that, and I always do, but thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate it. And if you guys haven't checked out the stickers, you guys can check them out on my Big Cartel site, and I will be shipping them all out to you guys very soon. I think they'll probably be shipped out by the time this video comes out. So thank you very much for the love and support, guys. All right, let's load this up. Come on, guys, 17 minutes. Gotta head out. Gotta head out. Student one, meat radiator. All right, it is time to go. I can just do everything else on my phone. Got the AC blowing ice cold and gotta ship out my lower ball joints. I'll talk more about that later. We're not installing them on my car and everything else in the back. N1. Oh, got some Torco RTF also. Let's go. There you go, boy. Like, I brought the J's.
I knew you were lying.
What are you talking about? It's the J's exhaust.
I knew you were lying, man.
Thanks. That's the J's exhaust. What's up? Oh, JDM dog. Oh damn, y'all hiker. Shit melted. Yeah, I can't even. Do you trust me?
Yeah, go Dave.
Yeah, watch this. I'm holding. Oh shit! You saw that? Okay.
I don't got a rag, man.
Hey, you can do it. You know, oh shit.
You are an asshole.
Is that Amsoil? Damn, must be nice.
You're an asshole.
Oh, you should have done it. Ah! You should have done it this whole time, dude. You let me do it. I spelled more than you, but you did spell too, so we're on the same boat. Papa's got to his house, got food coma, so sleepy. Just waiting for him to open the garage so we get started on it. But alright. So this is EG. Has a single cam in it. We put this in the other night. Now we're trying to finish everything for it to get running today, at least starting it. ECU's already in. Now I'm just putting on the radiator hoses and everything else like that. So all of these in, put in my radiator, swap the fan over from this one to the other one, and then put the exhaust on. dirty as fuck. Alright, ready? You wanna crank it? Just crank it a little bit. Okay. Alright. Or at least try. Ready? Yeah. It's all dead. It's about to start right
It's
now.
about to start. It's about to start.
That sounded like
I think it has been running.
yeah.
I'm trying to see this checking light. It's getting fucking loud. It runs really good. It's fine. Let I know for a little bit. Oh shit! I got bleed the system. No, what are you doing? Fuck! For you.
It's the next following day after I helped Naldo with the EG, and I'm sorry in advance that we didn't film the whole process. We did it the other night, we put the motor in, and then the next day, which you saw in the video, was just us doing the cooling, running the hoses, putting the axles in, and that's it, and first startup. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. Don't sell, just keep booting. Peace out.